Hey guys, my name is Dini and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while, but now I'm officially back. I need you all to smash the like button to show support, and also just so you know, I now do private one-to-one consultation and my email's in the description. Email me and you can get a one-to-one session with me. So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you the blueprint to becoming a successful Forex trader. This video will not be long. It's going to be short and concise. Okay, so smash the like button, and without any further ado, let's get on with it. So there's two phases to becoming a successful Forex trader. Phase number one, the demo phase. The demo phase is like going to a car dealership and going to test drive a car and seeing if it's for you, right? And demo trading is seeing how trading would work for you. Will your strategy work? Will you have the right mindset to cope with losses and so on? So to become a successful trader, you have to start with a demo account. And any broker offers you demo accounts, and what a demo account helps you with is, first of all, building up the confidence to trade. Second of all, testing your strategy, your risk management, your psychology. And so in the demo phase, the purpose is to see if you have a valid and a profitable trading strategy. You're not just going to start off on a live account and risk real money, right? You're going to see on a demo account, right? £10,000 fake. You're going to see, is that going to work? If that demo account isn't proving to be profitable, then you cannot move ahead with the live trading account. So in this demo phase, you need to build a strategy that's profitable. Not only a strategy that is profitable, but also a risk management strategy that allows you to not blow your account. And then also, whilst you have a profitable strategy, a good risk management system, you need to also, take, I would say, in my opinion, I would advise you to take 50 trades, between 50 and 100 trades before you consider starting a live account. Not only does that test your strategy and your risk management, but also your psychology. It allows you to experience what losing could be like, and it tests the way that you're going to react to losing phases. As you know, trading is filled with, the winning phase and the losing phase. So you can test out how you can react to that on a demo account. So you might be wondering, how long will a demo phase last? Now that time frame depends on how quickly you can get 50 to 100 trades done, right? Now some of you may be trading longer strategies, so that minimum trade could be 10 to 20 depending on the kind of strategy you're using. But the point here is to trade enough times to test your strategy, your risk management, and your psychology. Now, once you've tested the three and you're profitable, right, and you've got a written system, it's on your document, it's on your MacBook or your laptop, and you have a list that you can follow, then you're going to move to stage 2, the live phase. So yeah, now you've jumped from the demo phase to the live phase. The live phase is everything that the demo phase is, except it's real money, real emotions involved, okay? So you're going to need capital now. Now there's two ways you can go about this. You can either trade with a prop firm, or you can trade using your own capital. Now, talking about prop firms, this video is sponsored by the Trading Pit. The Trading Pit is one of the best prop firms out there in my opinion, and that's because it's very transparent, and unlike some prop firms out there, they actually want you to succeed. They offer up to $5 million in funding and up to 80% profit share. They allow you to get funding for Forex and futures, and soon cryptos and stocks. If we look at the Forex challenge, the cheapest package they have is only $99. And also that package, you can scale from $10,000 all the way to $109,000 only for $99. And guess what? Unlike other prop firms, if you say you want to extend some time for the challenge, well, you can do that. You can extend it, or if you wish to reset the challenge and the rules, you can also do that. They offer a standard challenge account, a executive challenge account, and lastly, a VIP challenge account. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a prop firm out there that you can trust and a prop firm that doesn't want you to lose, then the Trading Pit is for you. They also allow you to trade using MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And also they allow you to withdraw your profits instantly. I can talk about this prop firm all day long, but unless you click the link in the description, I promise you, you will not understand what I'm talking about. So click the link below, check them out, sign up, and go for their challenge account. Now that you know about prop firms, the second option is to trade using your own capital. Now you can start a business or save up enough from your job to then, supply that capital to your trading account, But regardless of how you go about this, once you have the funds, you now test out your trading strategy that you've tested on the demo. Now it's on a live account. Your emotions are real, your capital is definitely real, and now you're gonna go through a phase of wins and losses. But as a trader, the blueprint is this: no matter how good your strategy is, no matter how good your risk management is, trading involves the phases of, wins and losses, but the goal is to win more than you're losing. That's the only way you remain on top over a period of time. We can all win one big trade, right? But the point here is to win consistently over a period of time. And that's literally the blueprint of becoming a successful Forex trader. Build a trading strategy that is profitable, have a good risk management strategy that supports that trading strategy, and have a good psychology, a strong psychology, and that's it. There's no magic trick. There's no course that you have to buy. There's nothing else involved. You can do this by yourself. But if you're looking for a trading course, I do have one in the descriptions below, so check it out, but you don't really need it. You can go about it by doing it yourself, but if you're looking for a system that's put together that you can follow, then the description below has all the details. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned about the blueprint to becoming a successful trader. This short video literally proves that you don't need nothing more than a good strategy, a good risk management system, and a good mindset. That's it. It's not going to be a 45-minute video about random things. But if you want me to go in detail about how you can build the three things, the trading strategy, risk management, and the mindset, smash the like button and comment down below for part 2. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you check out Trading Pit. Links will be in the description below. And yeah, peace.